Hi. So today, I want to touch on a subject of people who live in the townships where you still have those roofs. They call them asbestos roofs. So I know that most of the people are not aware of this, but the things that I found where I work or in my profession is that there are some issues people are not aware of and they need to be careful of them. You know, when one have these asbestos roof and it's old and they want to wash it, sometimes they hire somebody, young people, to come and maybe do the pressure washing, where they will put a pressure at the top of the roof, um, so that the roof can be clean. That is an issue. Why I'm saying that? Because when you wash that roof, you are applying very high pressure, and while you're applying that high pressure, you are somehow removing some part of that roof, um, and that roof may have asbestos fibers. So asbestos fibers may be moved away from that roof, and surely water will come down into the ground. But what happens when those fibers they dry out is that they will get dry, and they can be resuspended into the air and become airborne. When they become airborne, it means that anybody who can breathe in any of those fibers can end up having lung cancer, some things, other things which comes with asbestos hazards, called asbestosis or mesothelioma. Those are all kind of diseases that are caused by asbestos fibers. Asbestos goes into your lung. You just need one fiber to go into your lung, and that fiber, when it goes into your lungs, it causes havoc, because the lungs are trying to take it out, and as they try to take it out, some things they develop, maybe some scarring happens in your lung, and you end up having lung cancer or any other cancers which you don't know how you got them. So those simple things, like don't allow those asbestos roofs to be pressure washed with a very high pressure hose, cause you're causing fibers to go with the water and become airborne. So I wanted to talk about that because I know that is the things that are not being discussed. I wanted, it's just that I don't have enough time. I wanted to go in the future to go into the schools and also talk about these things which are not always being discussed. But yeah, thank you so much.